What's up, all you Lakers and lot lizards? So this video is going to be kind of different. Recently I was driving and I got a rock chip in the windshield of my GR86. This is what the chip looks like from the inside of the car. Not good. So I went to Walmart and I purchased the Rain-X windshield repair kit so I can go ahead and fix it before the chip spreads into a big ass crack. But I found on Reddit, somebody linked a video by the Bring It On brothers to use this exact same kit. They kind of went over the basics and showed you how to use it. So I am going to follow their video roughly, kind of just wing it, bring you guys along, and we're going to go fix the windshield of my car. Let's do it.
Some time later.
So I know it's a little noisy right now. I came to a car wash that's in town because whenever you do this repair to the chip, you want to make sure that you're in the shade when you repair it and you bring it into the sunlight so it can cure. I was watching a Chris Fix video and he said to make sure that the chip is under the size of a quarter. So we are right under a quarter, so we're good to go ahead and fix this chip. Rain-X windshield repair kit. Pull that open. You got your instruction manual and there should be a razor blade in here. There we go. This is for the last application. You'll put this over the last step. So we need that. And then here is our razor blade right here. We're gonna need this for our first step. This is gonna be the first step. There's the chip right there. You wanna kinda go over it with your fingernail, make sure you can find where it starts. And then you wanna take the razor blade that came with the kit and kinda dig it out. So when you get done picking it out with the razor, the way to know that you're done is there will be no more glass fragments coming out the entry wound, I will call it. Your next step is to get this, and you want to put it directly above where the chip is. So once you get that lined up on there and suction down, you want to get the larger corkscrew that comes in the kit and go ahead and screw that all the way down and make sure it's lined up with the chip. Once you get that screwed down, you want to come around to the inside and make sure it's all lined up. Also, sorry about this wind, guys. It just got hella windy out of nowhere. I have no idea where that came from. But moving that shirt, you can see it's lined up right on the point of impact, or the entry wound as I called it. So let's move on to step 3 or step 4, one of the steps. Now what you want to do is go ahead and take your repair resin, and it says put 3 to 6 drops depending on the damage, but what I saw in the video is they ended up putting like 10, I think, so I think I'm going to go ahead and do probably 10 also. Now take the pressure screw and screw that in until the mouth of the other screw opens up wider. So as I'm seeing, don't put 10 drops at once. Just do 6 and then do remaining of however much you need, because I kind of just spilled a bunch. But now we're going to let this sit for 5 minutes and see where we're at from now. So it's been about 5 minutes and a half. Let's go ahead and take this off and check the chip. Take a look at that. That's looking good. So after you take off all that, you want to take a little bit of your resin, squirt it on there, and put the curing strip over it. Let's move the car into the sun and wait another 5 minutes, and then we'll move on to the final step. So as you can see, we now have the chip covered in the rest of the glass resin with the curing strip on it in the direct sunlight. So we'll give this like 5 minutes and see where we are from there. And now, after it's been sitting in the sun for 5 minutes, this is our final step. Let's go ahead and take this off and scrape off the excess resin. Oh, that's so satisfying. And just like that, it's all gone. That's what we're left with. And you can barely even tell because my windshield's dirty, so it kind of just looks like a speck of dust. It could be a little bit better, but like honestly, I'm not even mad at it. that came out pretty good. I definitely recommend this kit. Alright guys, that's it for the video today. I really hope this helped you. Make sure you find my music on Spotify, Apple Music. It's even here on this YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe while you're looking for it. Make sure you drop a like and a comment. Go subscribe to the Bring It On Brothers and Chris Fix because their video tutorials really helped me doing this. Hopefully this video will help you fix your own windshield. I love you guys so much. Couldn't do this without you. And as always, peace out. 1v1 right here, we can face off. Black ski mask in the whip, now the trace gone. 2-2-3's gonna make a bitch back off. I knew she a trick, but I still blew her back out.